better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tanisha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please hit subscribe. In this video, I'm just going to do a self-care Sunday. Today's Sunday. I like to do face masks on Sundays. Also like to wash my hair and deep condition my hair on Sundays as well. This is how I prepare myself for the week and just give myself some self-care time. Today's video is going to be on the Trader Joe's watermelon overnight face mask. So we have been in quarantine, and I picked this up on one of my grocery store runs a couple weeks ago. And basically, since I haven't been buying anything else, I wanted to try a lot of their new products. I love Trader Joe's because they have these things like seasonal all the time. I'm not even sure if this one's seasonal or not, but because it's spring, summer's coming, they're bringing out all of their summer and spring inspired products. So this one, first let's talk about watermelon. Watermelon, besides being a delicious fruit, it has so many great benefits for your skin. One is going to refresh and revitalize your skin. Watermelon is loaded with vitamin E, which rejuvenates the skin as well. So if you're having like any inflammation in your skin, you could use a watermelon straight juice or just the rinds to rub on your face to calm your skin. It's very calming. This product has watermelon fruit extract in it, seed extract, and fruit water, watermelon fruit water in it. So it's basically packed with all the good nutrients and benefits that you can get from watermelon. So this product is recommended for overnight. If you have a sensitive skin type, you can do it as a wash-off face mask as well. That's what I'm going to do for you today. I have done it overnight, and I've also done it for 10 minutes before. So today we're just going to do 10 minutes. You want to make sure your face is clean first. I like to start with a little bit of witch hazel. I've been using witch hazel for a long time. I think my grandma used to use it, so that's where I picked it up from. So you just want to make sure you don't have any makeup or anything on your face. So let that dry. And then this formula is a water-based gel formula. So it's very light. I don't know if you can see it. It's like I don't know if you can see this. It's like a white gel. You want to take a little bit like that and pat it into your skin. It smells so good, you guys. You want to avoid your eyes as best as you can. You want to get like a good layer on there. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And I'm going to put my timer on. And here we go. But first, I'm going to eat my watermelon. So good. So now that 10 minutes is over, I can tell you during this time, my skin feels a little tingly. But it feels like it's working, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. But it's a nice cooling sensation. So hopefully it is working its magic and rejuvenating my skin. So I'm trying to keep this 38 for a long time, guys. So I'm going to go rinse it off and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just rinsed my skin with lukewarm water to remove all the product. It feels really good. I still feel a little tingling. So it feels refreshed. I love that feeling. I just feel like my skin is just clean. Yeah, I like it. I love the smell of it. Like I said, it's very lightweight. So I look for stuff like that for my skin. I have a dry skin type, so I need moisture from my skin. To keep some hydration into my skin, I like to use the Jason Revitalizing Moisturizing Cream. This also has a lot of vitamin E in it. If you've seen my other videos, you've definitely seen this product. It's a cream, but it's also lightweight. You gotta keep your skin moisturized, guys. It's very important. So that's about all that I do for my skincare Sundays, self-care Sundays. I'll do a mask if this is a clay mask, a rinse off mask, an overnight mask, and then I also moisturize. Like I said, we're in quarantine and I really haven't had a need to put on makeup to go anywhere. I do it for fun. I've also been doing virtual makeup classes, so I'll do my makeup for that. But I'm giving my skin a chance to breathe right now. So less makeup, more skincare. That's my preference, but I also think this is a good time if you want to practice how to do your makeup, you can. And I have plenty of videos for you to try different looks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Try this product. This is a great product, guys. They also have a facial spray, like a mist, but I really did want to try this. If I find any more great products, I'll share them with you. I haven't placed any orders during this time, but I'm sure I'll find something else while I'm out at the grocery store. So I hope everyone is staying healthy, staying safe, social distancing. This is a crazy time that we're living in right now, but I believe we'll get through it. We just have to be smart about it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.